My name is Jar, and in this video I'll teach you exactly what not to do when starting or scaling your clothing brand. First things first, don't order too much inventory. This is the #1 killer for clothing brands. Too many times clothing brands will order thousands of dollars worth of inventory without having a proven product and end up not being able to sell the product they poured thousands of dollars into. To help combat this, I highly suggest the pre-order method. The pre-order method is a concept in which you get a mock-up or sample of a design and you promote said mock-up/sample on your desired sales channel. Once you promote your mock-up/sample, you start taking in orders without having any inventory on hand. You then close your site after 2 to 14 days and use that money you made to pay for your inventory. This method offers minimal risk with maximum reward. I ran this method with my newest clothing brand, which led to our first drop generating over $100,000 in revenue. Next, don't be reliant on one traffic source or sales channel. Too many times clothing brands such as myself in the past have relied on one sales channel as the backbone of their business. The problem with this is that your business becomes fragile and undiversified. For example, if most of your sales come from TikTok organic and one day you suddenly stop getting views and or reach, your overall business and revenue will plummet. This is why it's crucial to have multiple traffic sources and sales channels. Some good sales channels to have for your brand are Facebook ads, TikTok organic, TikTok ads, Instagram Reels, Google ads, SMS/email marketing, ambassador programs, etc. Once you start to diversify your sales channel and traffic sources, your business becomes more sustainable and robust. For me personally, my brand sales channel consists of Facebook ads, TikTok organic, Instagram organic, and SMS/email marketing. Next, don't pay for influencer marketing. Before you get upset, hear me out. Paying for influencer marketing can be great, but for most brands it is not. A lot of brands expect an insane amount of sales from influencer marketing, but truth be told, there are far better ways to spend your money. To add to this, there are also a large amount of fake influencers and scams out there. Influencers will charge a hefty amount for a post on their page, but if you really do a deep dive into it, their page is botted with fake engagement anyway. Although influencer marketing does have its use cases in generating brand awareness, UGC, social proof, etc., don't expect a huge amount of sales directly from influencers. If your objective is sales, put your money into more direct sales channels such as Facebook and TikTok ads. Last but not least, don't neglect customer service. This sounds obvious, but I'm going to tell you why it is so important. Your customers are your business. Without your customers, there is no business. Always respond and look to find a solution for each and every customer that your brand deals with. Treating your customers well directly correlates to overall more revenue for your brand. Having great customer service is also crucial when you run the pre-order method. People may not understand what pre-orders are and will ask and wonder where the order is at. It is crucial to treat and attend to these customers for a variety of reasons. One, poor customer service and communication will increase your number of chargebacks. If your store reaches a certain amount of chargebacks, Shopify themselves will start holding your payments, not send you money, etc., which causes a lot of issues in itself. Two, poor customer service will decrease your customer LTV, with them not being inclined to buy from you again due to a prior poor and negative experience. It is crucial to know that it is far easier and cheaper to market to people who have already purchased from you before. All in all, treat your customers well. If you got some value out of this, check out my free clothing brand Discord in the description below. We are currently the #1 clothing brand Discord in the world with over 13,000 plus brand owners networking and growing together. And here we offer free manufacturing lists, design tools, promotion channels, and many other resources. Link in the description. My name is Jar, and that's exactly what you shouldn't do when starting or scaling your clothing brand. Hit that like and subscribe button on your way out for good luck. Thank you for watching.